Guys, on today's video I will explain to you the free way of getting data and credit for free only if you are in Ghana here and you are using Telecel or Vodafone network. Then this video is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, share for others to enjoy. So we will just take our phone, then we go to the where we dial our numbers. This is for free. Telecel or Vodafone, they give coins to their customer when they buy data or credit or making other stuffs. So they will accumulate these coins for you. So when it reaches a certain point, you can redeem it, then use it for making calls, or you can use it for browsing. So that's what we are coming to do. So if you don't know the code, then you tap *533#, then you tap your Vodafone Telecel network. So that it will load as it is we're doing here. Then welcome to Red Loyalty Program. That is what they call their point name. That's the point name. So first one is check red coins, redeem red coins. So you check the number of coins that you're having. So the more you buy credit, the more you do transaction, the more you do call, the more you buy data credit, then they accumulate these coins for you. So when it reaches a certain level, you can redeem it. Then you use it for free. So let's check the coins first. The number of coins we are having here. So we are having Royal Loyalty coins is 1387.30. That's the coins I'm having now. So if I want to redeem these coins, then I'll press 0. So when I press 0, I'll return back. Then I'll go to option 2. Then you tap option 2 like this. So if you want to redeem your coins, what are you going to use it for? Is it for voice minute to call all networks, or you want data? So if you want data, then you choose option 2. If you want voice minute to call other networks or call Vodafone network, then you choose option 1. So maybe I want data, so then you choose 2. So when you choose 2, have you seen it? The option 1 says 100 megabyte goes for 400 coins. So if you have 400 coins, you can select option 1. If you have 1,000 coins, you can choose option 2. If you have 1,400 coins, you can choose option 3. As goes on up to option 6, that is 4,000. So when I check I was having 1,300 and something 0.30 coins. So I can choose option 2. So my coins is not up to 1,400, so I can choose option 2. So when I choose option 2 like this, then you select request receive. You receive confirmation shortly. So they will send me the data for the option that I choose. So when the data, they will send you message. It will come. Have you seen it? It has come like this. So congratulations, you have redeemed data for browsing on Red Loyalty coins. Your main red coins is 387. So that's the remaining coins what I was having. So when it comes like this, you can use it to browse, do anything that you want. It's for free. The more you buy data and credit, then they will give it to you. So anytime you want to, just dial the code is 533#, then you are free to go. I hope this video is very helpful to you. But don't forget to share, subscribe.
Yeah.